June 2008, paper 2, question 4, mensuration. Zubair Ahmed. Question 4, part A. Show that each interior angle of a regular octagon is 135 degree. This is the part of octagon. The sides AB, BC, CD, DE are shown. In the diagram, AB, BC, CD and DE are four adjacent sides of a regular octagon. FA is equal to FB, FA is equal to FB is equal to FC is equal to FE. CF meets BE. CF meets BE at point G. Calculate X, angle X, Y, Z, T. Write down the special name given to the quadrilateral BCEF. Third part, given that FC is equal to 10 cm, calculate CE. Number 4, A part, show that triangle CGE is similar to triangle FGB. Question 4, A part, find the area of triangle CGE over the area of triangle FGB. Now, solution. One interior angle of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180. Number of sides in one octagon is n is equal to 8. Therefore, one interior angle in an octagon is equal to 8 minus 2 into 180 over 8. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 into 180 divided by 8. If we simplify, we can use calculator but if we have no calculator, then we can say the numbers with the same digits. Now 3 into 45 over 4 over 3 into 45. So then one interior angle of octagon is equal to 135 degree. Question 4, B, first part. CD is an isosceles triangle. We have given CDE is an isosceles triangle. CD and DE are the sides of a regular octagon. So then, as a regular octagon has equal sides. Now, CD is an isosceles triangle. CD is equal to DE, sides of regular octagon. In triangle CDE, CDE plus DEC plus ECD is equal to 180 degree, because sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. 135, this one is the interior angle of the octagon. This is 135. Other two angles are equal. Let me take each angle X. This one is X and this one is X. Now 135 plus X is equal to 180 degree. 135 plus 2X is equal to 180. Take 135 to the other side. 2X is equal to 180 minus 135. 2X is equal to 45. X is equal to 45 divided by 2. X is equal to 22.5 degree. Question 4, B part. CF bisects CF bisects, this one is CF. CF bisects BCD. BCD. CF bisects BCD. Then FCD, this is FCD, is equal to half of BCD. As FC bisects BCD, then FCD is equal to half of BCD. As FCD is equal to X plus Y. FCD is equal to X plus Y. FCD is equal to X. This one is angle X, this one is Y. FCD is equal to X plus Y. So X plus Y is equal to 1 by 2 into 135. As we have calculated X is equal to 22.5. Then 22.5 plus Y is equal to 67.5. Because X degree is equal to 22.5. Y is equal to 67.5 minus 22.5. Y is equal to 45.0 degree. Then Y is equal to 45 degree. Parts. CF bisects BCD and triangle BCF is isosceles triangle. CF bisects BCD and triangle BCF. BCF is an isosceles triangle in which BF is equal to CF. FBC is equal to FCB is equal to 1 by 2 into 135. Angle FBC, angle FCB. Angles opposite to equal sides of triangle. 135 divided by 2, which gives 67.5 degree. Now, sum of interior angles. We use the technique of sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. 67.5 plus this one is 67.5, this one is 67.5, this one is Z. 67.5 plus 67.5 plus Z is equal to 180 degree. 67.5 plus 67, 135 plus Z is equal to 180. Take 135 to the other side. Z is equal to 180 minus 135. Z is equal to 45 degree. D part. BF bisects angle ABC. That means half of 135 this one, half of 135 this one. Implies FBA, angle FBA is equal to 1 by 2 into 135, 67.5, as triangle AFB is isosceles. As triangle AFB isosceles because side BF and AF are equal. Then angle T is equal to FBA is equal to 67.5. This one is 67.5, this one is 67.5, this one is 67.5. Third part. CFE is a right angle triangle in which FC is equal to FE is equal to 10 centimeter given. CFE is, this one is CE. CFE is right angle triangle in which FC is equal to FE, in which both sides are equal, which are 10 centimeter. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. C square, C is hypotenuse. C square is equal to FC square plus FE square. 10 square plus 10 square, 10 tens are 100 plus 100. C is equal to 200. C whole square is equal to 200. Take square root on both sides. Square will be cancelled out with square root. C is equal to 10 square root of 2 centimeters. C is equal to 14.14 centimeter. C is equal to 14.1 centimeter. Answer 3 significant figures. C is equal to 14.14 centimeter. Fourth part, show that triangle CGE is similar to triangle FGB. Triangle CGE is similar to triangle FGB. Triangle CGE is similar to triangle FGB. These are vertically opposite angles. In triangle CGE, in correspondence of triangle CGE and triangle FGB, angle CGE is equal to angle FGB is vertically opposite angle. Angle CGE is equal to angle FGB, vertically opposite angle. Angle GCE is equal to angle GFB. These are alternate angle because these sides are parallel. GEC, side GEC is equal to GBF because these sides are parallel, these are also alternate angles. Therefore, triangle CG is similar to triangle FGB. B. Find the area of triangle CGB. Therefore, triangle CG is similar to triangle FGB. Find the area of triangle CG over the area of triangle FGB. As BF is equal to CF is equal to 10 centimeter as given in the figure, area of triangle CGE over area of triangle FGB is equal to CE over BF. Use the technique of similarity formulas. In similarity, if the two figures are similar, then ratio of the areas is equal to square of the corresponding sides. Now, from B, part 3, C is equal to 200. Therefore, area of triangle CGE over area of triangle FGB is equal to CE over BF whole square. C is 200 and BF is equal to 10. 10 tens are 100. 100 ones are 100. 100 twos are 2 by 1, which is required answer.